Hi friends, welcome you all to Deep Matrix. In last video we have seen about the open loop DC motor working. In today's video we are going to tune the speed of the DC motor by connecting it as a closed loop system. So this is the output of the open loop DC motor. You can see the RPM is up to 14,000 something as I give the input of voltage as 10. So but this is not possible for the motor to run 14,000 RPM. So we are going to tune this using a closed loop system. So for that I need a summer. So I'm going to connect this summer in between my input and the Simulink to PS converter. So we are going to control the velocity. For that I am extending a output of the velocity and connect it to this summer. So in order to tune the speed, we need a negative feedback system. So I'm going to change the another sign to negative. So every time we get the speed value, it will be minus in the input so that we can get a controlled speed of a DC motor. So this is the connection. So next I'm going to run this. So we'll wait until the program is getting done. So now you can see I give the input voltage of wait. You can see I give the input voltage of 10. The speed of my motor is at 10 RPM. So and it is after second one, it is constantly running at the same speed. So but still there is a peak point at time second one. So this will be not good for the motor while running at a speed because a certain or sudden peak will make the back EMF to a high value. So we have to reduce this. For that I'm going to use a PD controller. For that I search for PID controller. So I'm going to connect this PID controller in, next to the summer. So double tap on the controller. We get this window. So I'm going to change my controller from PID to PD. Let apply. So PD is nothing but a proportional derivative controller. So we are going to tune this response. So for that we have a option tune. So here is our tuning app. So and this is our step response. So you can see this is the tuned response and this is the block response. So the block response is nothing but the response of the connection we have made, and this is the tuned value. So we can also tune the value like we want. So okay, I'll keep this. So now you can see the step response attain a settling time after 2 seconds and it is constant after that. So you can also tune as you want more accuracy or you want the system to be more faster than it is already. So I'm done. Since it is a demo video, so go to result and update block. So here we get a proportional value and derivative value is 0. So click for OK. Now I'm going to run this. So here you can see there is no peak at this point. So it is constantly running at the RPM of 10. So this is how we can use a PID controller or a PD controller to tune our response. So this is what I want to explain in today's video. I think I done with my topics. Do subscribe our channel and comment about our videos so that we can improvise our work. So until then, enjoy learning. Thank you.